Hello and welcome to another episode of Certified Engineering. I'm Sprutis and today is the day before D-Day basically, because tomorrow is the MOT and my Supra is still on jack stands. But we did manage to get it started yesterday, which was really nice. It didn't fire on any cylinder initially. I had to wake up the injectors, but after that, perfect. So it also got very late yesterday, so I really need to go to bed as early as possible today, because tomorrow morning I have a dentist appointment and then I have a few hours before I need to leave for the MOT. So I will use that time as well, but the plan is to first of all not stay too late, but take care of the torque of the nuts for the drive shafts, the inner fender, the steering stops, the toe, and figure out why the idle is so high. I didn't have time to look at the calibration, so we'll have to do that today. And also I brought 5 liters of fresh fuel, fresh from the tap, perfect, because the fuel that I have in the tank is quite old. I've also brought the side view mirrors, but they are unassembled, so I need to assemble them. But in order to do that, I need to find the screws, so I need to make sure that I have them here, otherwise I need to turn the apartment upside down and figure out where they are. They should be here. Usually I am that organized in an unorganized world, maybe, or maybe it's the opposite, I don't know. But anyway, we have a bunch of things to get started with, so that's why I've already uncovered a bit of my Supra, and let's get started. I just need to have a sandwich and change clothes. So the historic version of me was kind to my current me. As I had laid out, or not laid out, but here in the back seat I had the bags with the fasteners for the side view mirrors and door handles, so that's all taken care of. We also have the screws for the passenger seat, so perfect. So here is the front left inner fender, needs to be installed. So we have tools, we have fasteners, so the front left fender, inner fender is installed, but that's not all. We also have, let's see if you can see it, the steering stop. I've adjusted the tie rod, and the drive axles are torqued and cotter pin installed. The reinforcement bars for the subframe, rear one, are also installed, so it's ready to go down on the ground. But let's troubleshoot the high idle first.
2, 3, 4, 32 and 34.